To do the backward loop cast on, you're going to start with a slip knot on your needle, and you're going to take your thumb and just holding your yarn in your palm, bring your thumb down so that the yarn, working yarn, is on the outside of your thumb coming down your palm. Take the point of the needle, bring it through that loop, let go of your thumb, and pull it tight, but not too tight. You don't want to get it too close, otherwise it'll be hard to work into. Leave a little space. Again, wrap it around so it's on the outside, bring the needle through, tighten that up, move them down, swipe around, nice and easy. Problem with this one is that it's got kind of, you know, sloppy edges. It's not one, unless you take really long, good time to space them out properly and make the loops look all the same, it can give you a sloppy edge. The nice thing about it is a short tail. You don't have to estimate how many stitches you're putting on. You can just go right on ahead and do it. So that is the backward loop cast on. I'm Deja with knitandcrocheteverafter.com, and thank you for watching.